Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website veneno.com.mx. And I'm on a homepage. I put the translation to be in English. I really love the products. They look very high quality leather. I would love to see taglines in each photo to say what is the item linked to the product as well, with a call to action such as shop now and so on, which will help you improve your conversion rate. The products look very high quality, and I'm not sure if the prices are in Mexican dollars or in US dollars. However, I know that you offer free shipping on orders over $9.99. With all of your items are over $1,000, so um, it doesn't really incentivize people to place bigger orders, because if you had a free shipping on orders over 2,000, that will prompt visitors to place larger orders. However, um, adding free shipping as an offer that comes automatically is not really an offer. So um, having offer on bigger orders will actually work to your benefit, because people will want to spend more in your store. mm, but yeah, the products look very high quality, and I really love the quality leather, um, SEO friendly titles. I would put a smaller font, so you've got more items visible in above the fold, such as add to cart and so on. So make sure that this element is visible above the fold. I'm not sure if this actually suits your branding, this kind of neon green. Um, but I like that you offer personalized service. I would make it a little bit clearer, because without clicking on a product, I wouldn't know that you can personalize those products. So I can only see that now, but I wouldn't tell it from the homepage. So being more clear about what you're offering will help you improve your conversion rate even further. Okay. Okay, so you renew the product as well. 3 months warranty. I'm not sure how this and this actually work together, because you don't explain how you renew the products. Is it like you polish, or is it send a new item? So be clear about what you're offering. A 3 months warranty, it's not that long, unless you offer 3 months returns policy, because 3 months warranty, I think majority of the shops now offer at least 1 year on leather products. So think about whether you can offer that, extend this warranty a little bit further. Okay, let me just check the shipping information. 2 to 5 business days. Okay, so obviously it's all free with the worldwide. Um, we ship to all of Mexico. Okay, so you only ship within Mexico, free. Okay, that's a good service. That's a good deal, actually. Um, I'm not sure why it says express shipping 1 to 2 business days. Okay, so you've got two different shippings. Depends on standard or express shipping, but it's still very, very good rates and very good shipping times, which is great. So this returns policy. Okay. Also make sure, if you haven't specified, make sure to specify that you cannot refund for obviously personalized items. This is also important. This is quite a kind of missed. mistake that people who are selling customized items, they still have got this kind of default Shopify policy. So make sure to specify that you cannot return, or you cannot request, you cannot accept refund request for any personalized items. Okay, I understand that you only offer returns if your product has manufacturing defect, but then you have to specify what that includes, because what you understand as manufacturing defect, especially with leather, could be completely different for someone else. Because for you it could be discoloration, natural discoloration to the leather. Someone would treat it as a defect. So specify a little bit more, add more details, perhaps defect with adding personalized letters, manufacturing defect, defect with a stitching. So make sure to specify exactly what you count as manufacturing defect and what doesn't, because you cannot be too general with your return policy. You have to be as specific as possible to protect your business and avoid any miscommunication, because it can result with negative feedback. I understand you pride yourself on top feedback, so you have to do everything to protect yourself against any misunderstanding, any bad claims and so on. Okay, I've got professional email address here, which is great. I would also hyperlink it, so when someone can click on it, it opens in a new window, so they can send an email right away. You open the social media links in new tabs, which is fantastic. I like the logo that is matching your website logo as well. Your Instagram and YouTube are here as well. I like the header area, which is quite nice. Okay. Yeah, you look very, yeah, you website look very, very professional. You have put a lot of investment in this business, and yeah, I think it's you've got great products. I would just work on these finishing touches to protect your business and to boost your sales, even with with better looking product, paid with better, more um, better free shipping offer. But I think that this website looks very trustworthy, and I absolutely love it, and I love your products. So I hope you found this review useful. If you loved the tips, please click like underneath this video, and also please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.